biggie. It's gonna be a whopper. More steam. What are you laughing at? It's either that or drop dead. Sadist. It's a long train. More steam. Getting to the best part. This train's still in the station. Now here's a sound you have heard before. How many times have you pulled up to a railroad crossing? There's a train going by. While you're sitting there, you've heard the sound of the wheels clicking on the rails. Now the next time you hear the sound I'm about to do, you're going to think of me every time you hear a train go by and you hear this sound. And you'll never forget it the rest of your life.